Well, I apparently don't know what I'm doing because literally this doesn't make any sense. Cool. Well, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've decided to suffer, and I picked up a $500 Mini Cooper because I think I just like to suffer. Anyways, this car was cheap because it doesn't work right. It's got an idle problem, no check engine light, so that's not ideal. You know, I've actually been looking around this car for a minute, and I literally don't know where to go. Yeah, but I've got at least one buddy I'm going to call. I think Don's kind of busy today, so I'm not going to call him yet. Let's see what my buddy's doing. Let's put this flashlight over here. All right. Hopefully he's got time to help me.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, homie. I've got a Mini Cooper that I'm having a hard time figuring out. It's stumping me. I need some backup.
Blue one you got that I told you to sell?
You definitely told me to sell it, and I completely ignored it because I got the car so cheap. It was so cheap.
Okay, all right, but it's still a Mini Cooper.
I know. Are you busy?
What's going on, buddy?
I don't know. It's idling weird, no check engine light, and without a check engine light, I'm stumped. I don't come from the old days. I need help.
Is there a vacuum leak?
What?
Have you smoke tested? You know what? I'm on my way down. You need help.
Okay, thanks, bye.
See you in a minute. Bye.
Okay, bye. Yes, good news. My buddy's coming down. Maybe I'll get this car fixed. Let's see what he gets here.
This car is still here. I told you to sell it.
Well, Mr. Daddy Mustafa, thanks for showing up to help.
So tell me, what have you done in the time it took me to drive down here?
Well, first I tried to self-problem solve, and it didn't work. And then, after that... What is that?
This?
Where? Yes. That looks awesome.
It's limited edition.
I've never seen it. I see that now.
And it's got a Festiva on
Oh, it's got the Festiva! If I wanted to pick up one of these, where could I get this at?
Great Basin Garage Instagram. DM for details. Okay, so you've checked for vacuum leaks. You've smoke tested it.
Yes.
You've chucked some parts at it, I see. There's a new shiny boot here.
Yep, new boot.
Where do you plan to go from here?
Well, I didn't have a plan. That's why I called you, because I thought you had the plan. Or a plan.
I appreciate
Any plan.
that you want to hang out with me, but I feel like you forgot that I absolutely despise Mini Coopers, and I told you to sell this car.
Yeah, but I know you're a problem solver.
I am.
So that's why you can help.
Well, let me solve the problem.
Okay.
I don't want to work on this car, so I'm going to call the Super Cooper Tech.
Mr. Don?
Mr. Don.
Oh.
Let's see what Don's doing.
What if he doesn't answer?
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, joke's on you, he answered. Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Scrolling Marketplace.
Ricky Tikki Tavi is here too also.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
So, we're at the shop. Rick's got the...
What, I didn't get an invite?
Well, hold on.
Well, it seemed like a one-man job.
Rick's got the blue Mini Cooper that we told him to sell in the shop, and he's trying to get the idle to work correctly.
Oh, you're okay.
And I'm failing. And I called Andrew, and he's not being helpful.
I hate this car so much.
Come on, it's a mini problem.
Hilarious. It doesn't feel
You know
mini.
what? I'm on my way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, welcome in.
Where did you get that sweater?
This sweater?
Limited edition.
Festiva?
It's a Festiva sweater.
It's
Great
a
Basin
Festiva.
Garage Instagram.
Get yours now.
Now that we're back, Mini Cooper.
Hey,
I don't know why I wasn't involved from the get-go.
I thought I could figure it out. I didn't want to bother you.
All right, let's start at the very bottom of what's going on with the car.
Rick couldn't figure it out. He called me. I think this car's dumb, so I called you.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let me ask someone who's touched it.
The real facts. No check engine light.
Okay.
Hunting idle.
Okay.
Code scan says nothing.
Nothing in the code scan.
I checked for vacuum leaks. Nada. Just in case I replaced that boot.
Okay.
It didn't care?
You replaced one of the breathers on the
So
backside
there's
too.
no vacuum leaks.
Nah.
Correct.
Do we have oil?
Hope so.
I didn't check that.
One of the things to check is the Vanos system for the intake cam
Oh, maybe.
needs oil in order to appropriately.
You're
Do
thinking,
timing.
oh, you're thinking of Vanos problem.
Yeah.
Is that common on a Mini Cooper?
I have fought one of my own. I don't know if it's common, but it definitely was a fight that I figured out to be a Vanos problem.
Oil check complete.
And it looks clean too.
Clean and full.
It's like cleaner than the dipstick is.
Okay, Mr. Professional.
Uh-huh.
Oil's full. What's next?
Now what do we check?
I want to... Like, these Mini Coopers have a single Vanos on the back. This is the N14 motor.
Okay.
Most cars will give you a fault if there's an issue with the throttle body, but Mini
Alright.
Coopers have a very plastic throttle body
Ooh, gross.
that do not give you
Plastic.
faults
Ugh.
unless it's severe enough.
Okay. Okay, well, how about while you and Drew look around,
Let me poke around with the Vanos and stuff.
I feel like I should go shopping.
Okay, we don't know what we need.
I've got an idea. You just told me what we might need, and that's close enough for me.
All right, in order for us to get to the Vanos, and the reason we want to do that is the Vanos solenoid has a screen on it, and we'll show you once we get it out. That screen can sometimes get plugged. When that gets plugged, it doesn't allow proper oil flow to the system to time the intake camshaft properly, and that can cause hunting without any kind of a check engine light. And I've only know that because I had to fight a car of my own for many hours until I figured that out. So I'm gonna have Drew pull the air filter box out of the way. It's a pretty simple process, and I'm gonna get started on pulling the charge pipe out of the way to be more accessible of getting this tiny bolt out for the solenoid. What else am I gonna break on this car?
What did you just break now?
Nothing?
You know, somebody actively made the choice to go buy this car brand new. And they're like, this is a good decision. It's never a good decision.
Okay, gentle, more
Ooh,
gentle.
my favorite part's the spider webs coming off of it.
It's too cold for spiders right now.
Not spider.
These were summer spiders. They're dead now. The most fun part about trying to pull the Vanos solenoid is you cannot physically see the bolt because there's no room. The bolt is facing this way, and you got your firewall. So I use a mirror,
Okay.
and then you got to think upside down and backwards, which I don't know how dentists do it. Man, it's magical how a dentist is in your mouth with a mirror and poking at the right spots, because when I try and use a mirror, I poke the complete opposite spots. I'd be a terrible dentist. Where did Rick go? Did Rick leave to go buy parts? Is
He
what
went
said?
to go buy some parts that he's going to shotgun at the car.
Right in this area, you can see we got some buildup because this is your tiny finite screen that they use. We definitely have some crummage here.
Crummage.
Oh, Lucy, I'm back.
Wow.
Yeah,
What do you have?
check it out. Auto parts.
What kind of auto parts, and why are there two boxes?
Well, I was having a small dilemma because the local parts store wanted $250 for this one, and the local Chinesium warehouse wanted $50 for this one.
So you spent $300 so we could have two?
What if one's not okay?
How'd you get a Chinese one in town?
Quick delivery.
We have the Amazon dispenser here in town.
Yes, that's true.
That's what you got it.
But I don't know the quality. But
I guess we're
I'm
gonna-
feeling not like spending a lot of money on the car either.
Don't even know the throttle body's bad.
Let's look at them.
Okay, so you got a Chinese throttle body and then a
Is that Chinese instructions?
slightly less Chinese throttle body.
Well, you know, have you ever wondered, like you see parts so cheap online, is there really a quality difference?
Yeah, maybe.
They're both in plastic bags.
Okay,
Yours has a warning label on it.
mine does. After throttle body replacement, the vehicle may require an idle relearn procedure.
Hey, you have colored dots here. Do you?
Yep.
Are they the same color?
Green, blue, yellow?
In the same... Oh!
Okay.
You got little covers for the electronics.
The little installation tool, that's
so far,
nice.
they all look the same. Don't pull that off.
Oh.
You got to use that for install.
It's got a cam, it lines up.
You know
Mine doesn't line up anymore.
the OEM ones come with bolts inside of the installation tool.
I have bolts.
Oh.
Me too.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, I mean, there goes that thought.
Maybe the $50 one's gonna work.
You know, I just feel like this is where the parts house sources theirs from,
Make sure when installing,
and then marks it up.
check the clean of the flange. Replace to seal new ring and gasket.
Got it.
While using my coast light with an LED function, I can point out the throttle body. This is the area in which we need to remove it from. A little tight, but still usable. A real trick is after you get the wiring undone,
See if it's clean.
it's kind of a twist puzzle to get out of this section. All right. Let's get it up here. Oh, that looks like a high mileage 87 octane throttle body. There is a lot of buildup on the backside of this throttle body. As you can see, it's scraping off, and that's just a gentle. And you got to remember, these are just plastic throttle bodies. So what you don't want to do is get frustrated and start forcing things, because you just break things. So torque spec is vital on this vehicle because it's going into a plastic intake manifold. If you put it in too tight, you'll break your intake manifold.
It's done.
And with a broken intake manifold, what's happening? Where are you?
You've been working hard. I got you something to drink.
Aww.
All right, I just do want you to get dry mouth. Okay, all right. All right, onward, sir.
That was nice. I could smell your hands. They were very clean.
Well, good.
So anyways, I'm holding this bench down really well. It's on wheels, and sometimes they like to roll away, and I don't know what else to do. I clean the solenoid. Solenoid works. That's ready to roll.
Ah, there it is.
Hey, Super Cooper techs need their protein. You got this. You got this. You're doing great.
I was a little slimy. How long has that been in the fridge?
Don't worry about it.
It's like playing Operation. Oh, sorry.
I jumped.
Got it.
I got scared too. You know, you made it sound like an easy job, but you're making it look like a difficult job. So I'm confused what it actually is.
It's the Mini Cooper way of life.
Okay.
I'm thinking, so I can't talk right now.
So currently, there is one bolt that holds the Vanos solenoid in. That is in a very particular spot. So starting it is tough.
It gets a little harder if you don't have your charge tape to defibrillator connection. If your wiring to your manifold absolute pressure sensor is connected. You know, words.
Yeah, ready?
Yes. Give it a second. Let it try and figure itself out for a second before we just condemn everything.
Did we learn the throttle body?
I didn't find a learn spot.
What
The directions said perform a relearn.
It's doing better than it was. This car was definitely all over the place earlier.
The stop throttle says it's adapted. Throttle angle and set point are matching. Yeah, they're matching pretty good.
Okay.
Hey, since you did all the work today, man, how you feeling about this?
I feel pretty good about it for being a $50 Chinese throttle body.
Yeah.
We got it in, reset, and it seems to be better. We want to do a longer test drive and see what the longevity of this $50 part is.
Ooh, that's a good point. We don't know how long it's going to last.
Which is why we have a backup
That's true.
if we need it.
Yeah.
Just in case we need it.
Thanks for coming to help me, guys.
It was my pleasure. You should have called me before. You know how I like Mini Coopers.
Oh, I get it.
I didn't do a damn thing. I just kind of hung out. So thanks.
Yeah, but you know what? You gave me the chance to see this amazing sweatshirt from Great Basin Garage. Limited edition. With a Festiva on the back.
A Festiva on the back. Dream
So,
big.
If you'd like what you guys saw today, make sure you comment.
always subscribe.
Hit the little like button too if you would. Really helps us out a ton. And if you want one of these limited edition sweaters, go hop over to our Instagram and let us know you want one. And we'll get you one. It's that easy.
Limited edition.
Yes. See you guys next time
Thanks
when
for
the
hanging
Mini
out.
Cooper breaks down again.
Breaks down again.
We'll see you in 30 minutes. We'll see you in 30 minutes.
There it is.
Hey, Super Cooper techs need their protein. You got this. You got this. You're doing great.
I was a little slimy. How long has that been in the fridge?
Don't worry about it.